What is Monday in Korean? The Korean term for Monday is 월요일. Again, it's 월요일. This is pronounced as a three-syllable word. The first syllable is 월, second syllable is 요, and the third syllable is 일. Pronounce it with me. 월요일. How do we write this in Hangul? Let's start with the syllable 월. First, we need to draw a no-sound ing, followed by the u character, followed by the o character, and followed by a real character. For the second syllable yo, we need to draw first a no-sound ing character and a yo character. And lastly, for the il, we need to draw first a no-sound ing, followed by an e character, followed by a real character. And then we just need to combine this to form the Hangul of the word 화요일. And with that, you already know what is Monday in Korean. Thank you so much for being here. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.